What is up, guys? Today is the Marketscore daily recap for September 3rd, 2024. And I don't know what else to say besides that Marketscore just freaking killed it today in both the ES and the NQ. If you look in here, they basically mirror each other for today. And as you can see, Marketscore only got in one trade on the ES, one trade that it got into right at 10 o'clock and stayed in basically the whole day. Today was a super cut and dried trend day. We started out high, we ended out super low, and got a total of 85 points in the ES today, which is absolutely nuts. Just freaking killing it. And if we go over to the NQ, it's basically the same story. If you look at this first trade, it's a short that it gets into right at 10, but it closes out at 10:01. So we can basically ignore that trade. And it got into one short for the day, essentially, at 10:02, stayed in it basically the entire day until it leveled off the bottom right here. Basically the maximum amount of points that you could have gotten today regardless. Marketscore got a total of 455 points in the NQ. And one thing to note is that both the NQ and the ES have this little trend upwards right at the end, right there. And in my experience, when this happens, it tends to kind of settle back down to the low in the overnight. So that might be something to look at. But just killed it across the board today. And yeah, super great. Hope you guys had a great weekend and looking forward to a great trading week.